Hey everyone, it's Talia. Hello. Of course it is. You know who it is. So hey, how are you? I am popping in because I had a big realization this morning and I was like, I want to share this with Ayurveda every day. So, some of you have known me for a long time and some of you are more new to me as an Ayurvedic practitioner. But I've been doing this work since 2001. And when I came to Ayurveda, I was in a ton of pain. I was in emotional pain, I was in physical pain, I had an autoimmune disease. I was a mess. And my practitioner, Deanna Batdorf, who's amazing, is the one who introduced me to Ayurveda. And one thing that Deanna did that is so unique and special, and what she has taught me to do, and what I really try to do for my students, my clients, my audience, is she made healing fun. And she made it not like, she made it so that it wasn't just this, like, oh no, there's something really wrong with you, like, oh gosh, ooh, that sounds bad, She made it so that it was like, this is what you can do to feel better. And here it's going to be pleasurable, and we're going to really get to the root of what's going on for you. And we're going to um, celebrate who you are. And we're going to get real about where you're not living up to your potential. And we're also going to make it fun. And I'm taking this course right now that's all about, like, what is the deeper meaning? What is the deepest meaning about your life? And I've been feeling very frustrated the past, definitely this year. I mean, it's just been a hard year for everybody, but the past couple years, I would say, because when I realized that I could be online as a teacher and a practitioner, I got so excited of, like, oh my God, I could live from wherever I want, and I can help so many more people, and I have so much to share. Like, this is going to be so fun and so awesome. But I've gotten myself into this place of trying so hard to succeed, or I don't even know what, and like, what does that even mean? Trying so hard to, like, make it, that my work has, online especially, has become very unfun. And I have not been doing what I really want to do, and that is actually sapping my life force energy. And so I'm like, okay, stop. I'm reclaiming this. I'm reclaiming myself. I'm reclaiming what matters to me, because that's how I'm going to be of the most service, and provide you with the most healing, because then healing will be something that we can, it'll be fun. I don't know how else to say it. I just feel like, there's just so much, when we're really healing, there's a lot of pain. That's healing hurts. Even in the United States, how divided we are as a nation, um, and all the toxicity that's come to the surface, especially this year, but just in the past 4 years, whatever. um, there's healing that needs to happen, and it's ugly and gross, and it hurts, and it's painful, and it kills people, and it's terrible. But then there's this other part of it that's like, and this is an opportunity to come together, and this is an opportunity to see the beauty in each other, and this is an opportunity to see where we can bring more of our best selves forward. So I just wanted to share that. I hope it is worth hearing, because I feel very inspired, by my little discovery today, that I just need to reclaim the parts of myself that light me up. And I want that, of course I want that for everyone. That's what would, we'd all be a lot happier if we all did that. Now, it's kind of easy for me to be doing this right now because I am in Kauai, sort of on vacation. It's my birthday on, I think, on Sunday. But I'm also here working with my my sister goddess friend Willow Brown, who maybe some of you know, we're working, we're masterminding, and we're also um, being in a beautiful place because we can and because we want to and because it makes us feel alive. So anyway, in addition to what I've just shared, um, I know I'm kind of in the polar opposite of most of you, where it's really cold. There's a spike in COVID, and the holidays are approaching, and there's a lot of stress. So, stress depletes the immune system for multiple reasons. If we want to think about it just from an Ayurvedic perspective, stress is like a vibration of the Vata dosha. It's when it is activated and we go into fight, flight, or freeze, we start to um, really run on depletion. Um, or let me say that a different way, our energy can become like sort of, we start to lose our chi and we start to feel depleted. And that is a real sign that your immune system is not as bolstered and as full as it could be and needs to be to stay healthy in these really difficult times. So I've been studying medicinal mushrooms with this company, Four Sigmatic. They're so cool. They make all these amazing medicinal mushroom teas and medicinal mushroom coffee that taste really great. And just add to hot water, blah, blah, blah. They're so awesome. But one of the things that she says about, bringing adaptogens into your body and into your life specifically, she's talking specifically about medicinal mushrooms, but most adaptogens are also immune boosting herbs. So I'm just going to make this sort of a sweeping statement about adaptogens. And that is that when, you know, if it's chilly outside, you're not like, I'm going to wait until it's completely freezing to put on my jacket. You're going to put on your jacket when you're like, oh, wow, the breeze is coming in and the temperature went down a little bit. Like, I'm not freezing yet. So I'm going to put on my jacket now and I'm going to like get ready and protect myself against the cold that I see is coming. That's how it is when we take adaptogens. The adaptogens are giving us this boost for our immunity, also a fortification for our adrenals, which are what's the gland that is most affected when we're in fight, flight, or freeze. And so we don't want to wait until we're already depleted or our immune system is already down, especially because you don't want to strengthen a pathogen once it's in your system. So if you already have a virus or a pathogen or a bacteria, you don't want to strengthen it once it's there. You want to prevent it from coming in. So as preventative healing medicine, you want to, I recommend that you fortify your body, fortify your immune system now before you have anything going on. So, this whole year, I've been talking about supplements that I recommend everybody take to protect themselves against COVID and to keep their immunity high. And adaptogens are always at the top of my list. They're not the only thing on my list, but they are high on my list. If you're curious about some of the other things I've recommended, I've written a couple of blogs about them. So you can go to talyaskitchen.com and click on the blog link and you'll see they'll be easy to find. But for today, I just want to focus on these adaptogens and specifically the medicinal mushrooms for a couple reasons. Number one, they're on sale this month. Not through my shop, but through Four Sigmatic and also through Health Force Nutritionals. So these are two of my absolute go-to superfood, medicinal, food as medicine sources of herbs and teas and beautiful, delicious drinks that can replace coffee or whatever other teas you're drinking. And if you're not drinking enough tea or water, they will help you increase your hydration intake. So I'm just going to go ahead and post links to both of those companies in the show notes for this video. And yeah, I recommend taking advantage of the sale because they don't go on sale very often. And both companies, Health Force is 20% off, and a lot of the stuff on Four Sigmatic is between 20 and 50% off. So check it out. My favorite right now is chaga. I also really love the cordyceps. Um, but chaga is just like, wow, such a powerful detoxifier. And, we just went through, I feel like we just went through this energetic portal of insanity, and we could probably all use some fortification that is simultaneously detoxing. So check out the chaga. And also, if you don't already have yourself stocked up on vitamin C, I recommend that you get that as well. So, anyway, just wanted to pop in here and say hello and um, let you know how much I appreciate you. Like, I really, really love what I get to do for a living, and it means so much to me. And I feel that it is truly meaningful work. And I also really, it's really important to me to just show up as who I am. And I really appreciate that you um, respect that. And you know, I feel like the people who follow me are just really cool people, and so thank you for being so cool. Anyway, I'll see you soon. Bye for now.